All right, let's dive into the official rules for your building at 41-49 Norcal Road. Living in a shared space means following a few key rules. Let's break them down. First up, who exactly has to follow these rules? Well, it's pretty much everyone. Everything's managed by the Owners Corporation, or OC for short. They're the legal entity in charge. Yup, these rules apply to everyone. Owners, tenants, occupants, and even your guests. Okay, let's talk about some crucial rules designed to keep everyone safe and sound. This doesn't mean your everyday household stuff or the fuel in your car, of course. Basically, it just means being considerate when you're handling your garbage and recycling. And this applies to any kind of smoke, not just from smoking, you know? All right, what about the common areas? The spaces we all share. This means you've got to keep hallways and other shared paths totally clear for everyone. Parking's pretty simple. Stick to your own spot and definitely don't block anyone else. And remember, your parking space is strictly for parking. No storage or car repairs allowed. This applies to things like gardens, the building itself, and any shared facilities. Okay, now for the rules that apply specifically to your own locks. Thinking about changing your apartment's exterior, you'll need the OC's written approval first. But here's a really key protection for owners. The OC can't be unreasonable with approvals. This is especially true for sustainability items. They can't be denied just for aesthetic reasons. Also, if you're doing renovations, you have to let the OC know, especially if it's noisy. So what happens if there's a disagreement? Let's look at the process. There's an official dispute process to make sure complaints are handled fairly for everyone. Which leaves us with a final thought. Are these rules just boundaries or community builders?